Hi, so today I'll be showing you two hijab styles that are my go-to styles. I always wear either this or that, and that's it. This will be the last of the hijab tutorial because that's all I know. So I really hope you learned something because all of these hijab tutorials are easy and it uses as less pins as possible, but make sure you can roam around as much as you want. You can be comfortable. So hop on to the video. So for this hijab style, it's very simple. You pin it under your cheek, and then yeah. So one side is long, short. One side is long, right? And then you take the other side and just bring it in front. That's it. It's very simple. You can add a pin here, and you can add a pin here, like this. And when you're trying to add a pin, try to think of it like it's an embroidery when you're adding it to your cap, so that helps. And you should also add a pin here because it often gets loose for this material. So what I do is I usually see the length that I want at the back, and then I pin it here and I pin it here so it stays in place. So this is very simple. You can do it easily with the crinkle hijab. If you're wearing a crinkle hijab, you don't need as many pins, just like one pin here and just the pin that's here, no more pins. After the second tutorial, so it's the same, one shorter side and one longer side. So take the shorter side in an opposite direction, okay, and tie a pin, okay, yeah, just that's it. And now you take this here, so, and you tie a pin here with this, yeah, and tie a pin here. Then however length you want to keep in front. So usually if I'm wearing a coat, I take it a little bit up. If I'm wearing a longer dress or something like that, I take it. It just really depends on the outfit. And then I tie another pin. I add another pin here. Make sure you attach it to the dress so that it doesn't move at all. I also pin one here like this, same. Make sure you tie it to the dress so it doesn't move at all, because I move a lot and I'm just like always active and I have to work like more than 5 or 6 hours. So for me it's very important that my hijab just doesn't move, it just stays in place. So I really hope you liked this tutorial and it was helpful. Best of luck in your hijab journey. Thank you.